Hi guys, Bradley Worthington here. So today's look is inspired by coffee. So what I want you to do is subscribe to this channel and let's get right into this video. Hi guys, this is Bradley Worthington. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I am Bradley Worthington. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, so we have an amazing look for you guys today. What I am deeming this look is coffee and cream. I came up with it after the fact. When I saw the finished product, I was like, okay, this is giving me coffee and cream vibe. So as you can see here, the hair is the natural color. It's fairly dark. It doesn't look like it is on camera, but it really is. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just teasing the hair at the root because I don't want the color to be all the way at the lace. So I'm just teasing it so that the color is not all the way at the lace, and so that there are no lines of demarcation in my color application. If you know anything about color, then you know lines of demarcation are a big no-no. So I always tease the hair and I always apply the color in a vertical motion and not horizontal. Like I said in my last video, horizontal color application, in my experience, the lines of demarcation just are atrocious. So I apply vertically with my brush with the color stroke. So I want like face framing highlights. This is where the cream is going to be. So I have to lift this hair significantly high to get it to at least a level 10, 11. And then I can tone it to the desired color, which is a very light ash blonde. So I am going to, as you know, permanent color is lift and deposit. So I'm going to bleach this hair initially, and I'm going to tone it or put permanent color on it essentially to lift and deposit the color. after it's been lightened and pre-toned. So we're going to go on to the toner to tone out the yellow and the orange that's currently in the hair, because we don't like that. So what I'm using is my favorite, which is WELLA, and I'm using the colors or the toners 12N and a 12A. And this goes at the front where the face framing highlights are to again get that yellow color out and tone the hair to a nice white blonde color. And you'll notice that after this is processed, where you see the dark hair, it's going to turn into like this nice coffee color brown. And so this is why I got the inspiration to call this wig Coffee and Cream, because the color lifted, of course, that base color or that dark color to a nice brown color. So just keep watching. So in the middle of the unit, I'm using a 9G. Again, the front, I'm using a 12N mixed with a 12A. In the middle, I'm using a 9NG. And at the back, I'm using a 10GV. And so I like all of those tones and colors together. So I am processing everything equal parts. For the 9G, I'm using a 50 volume developer. For the 10G, I'm using a 50 volume developer because that hair I did not pre-lighten, so I wanted to get the maximum lift possible. And at the front for the 12N and the 12A, I am using a 30 volume developer. I let the front process for about 30 minutes because the hair was already lifted, so it didn't have to lift as much as the back needed to. And for the back, I let it process for about 45 minutes. It's the color for me. I really love toned, properly colored hair. It is really like my favorite part of any unit, because you can make a unit really nice all day long, like you can know how to construct very well, but if you don't know how to color, it just makes the unit look crazy. So I really love this coffee and cream colored unit. As you can see, this is a significant difference from when I just pre-lightened the hair. The hair is significantly lighter and toned now. So just wait till you see it when it's dry. Now, I do want to give this disclaimer that I was not, unfortunately, able to film me cutting the bob, but I mean, who doesn't know how to cut a bob at this point? It's 2020. So what I'm doing right here is I'm getting her natural edges out of the way to prepare to lay this wig down. I'm spraying a little Got to Be Glued freeze spray on the brush to smooth back her edges. And I'm about to do the bald cap. I'm using a little gel from Got to Be Glued to get the remaining edges back. And just keep watching as I slay this coffee and cream, baby. Okay guys, so I just want to give a special shout out to my cousin who is an amazing celebrity makeup artist. She's done the likes of Mariah Carey, and she's done some makeup for John Legend, just to name a few people. And as you can see, she beat her face down. And I really want to shout her out because she is very, very patient with me. Like, anybody that, you know, whose hair I do, they know that I move like grandpa of the year. I say this all the time because it's the truth. I take forever to do the least amount of things, but when it comes out at the end, it always looks good. So shout out to my cousin Amirah Nicole. She is phenomenal. She offers body contouring, she offers composite veneers, makeup services, Brazilian blowout. She like does it all. So talented, so beautiful, and I'm really excited that she allowed me to do my craziness on her. Does anyone here drink coffee? The hair is definitely giving me coffee and cream, with the cream at the front, the coffee, and maybe a little bit of caramel at the back. I really love this unit. It's fun, it's gorgeous, it's grown and sexy hair, and I live for it. And you know, I was on Twitter the other day and I posted, you know, a video of, or a picture of a wig, and somebody commented and said the wig looks crusty and stiff. And so I responded to the comment because I'm always going to rebuttal somebody talking crazy on my stuff. I commented back and I was like, I posted a video and I was like, stiff where? The wig is not stiff. And the same remains true for this unit. It's not stiff. Every time she moves, it moves just like that. So thank you guys for watching my video. As always, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and be looking forward to the next video on next Wednesday.